This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the meeting in Outlook, go straight to the calendar and double-click the event. If you organize the meeting, you can edit it directly. If you are an attendee, you'll use Propose New Time instead. Once the meeting window is open, pick 2 or 3 alternate slots so you can choose the best. Make sure attendees' time zones are considered. This avoids confusion when you send the update. Now change the date and start /end times in the meeting form and use the scheduling assistant to confirm attendee availability. If conflicts appear, pick the best compromise and list backup options in the body so recipients see alternatives. Once done, click Send Update so everyone receives the new invite. Outlook will replace the old slot on calendars. Make sure the meeting location and online link remain correct to avoid accidental no-shows. Finish by clicking Send Update. As organizer, that finalizes the new time across attendees' calendars. If you're an attendee who proposed a new time, remember the organizer must accept it for the change to stick. If someone reports the event didn't move, ask them to restart Outlook and verify cached exchange mode is syncing. Also confirm you sent the update to all attendees rather than just new guests. If problems persist, resend the update or contact your admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.